spotchy, is that even a word? Spotchy, spot. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to film just a quick video about, you know, things that came out in 2017 that were just the bomb, or just things that I got introduced to by just experimenting and finding new makeup, just trying new things myself that I found in 2017. I thought I would just bring all of that together in this one video of the whole year and kind of go through the makeup that I have of what I think was the best of 2017 in the makeup and beauty world. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I feel like there was a lot of palettes that came out, a lot of makeup palettes that came out in 2017. And they were a lot of good ones. So I'm just gonna go through them because I have a big pile here. So one of them is the Naked Heat palette. This came out in 2017, and I'm really impressed, I guess, with Urban Decay, because I just feel like their makeup is just really bold and doesn't fit my style. And I just really don't, I don't know, like I like some of their stuff, but I'm not like a huge fan. I feel like it doesn't fit me as my personality. I mean, their other Naked palettes, I just haven't really liked. Like, I have the Naked 3 palette here, but if someone gave this to me as a gift, and to be honest, like I wouldn't go out and buy all the Naked, like Naked or Naked 2 or 3, whatever the numbers are. I wouldn't go out personally and buy them because I just feel like they're just, ugh. You know, they're just kind of boring. There's no, like, they don't inspire me. But I absolutely love the Naked Heat palette, just because I just love the colors. They are just so gorgeous. I think I'm just a warm tone person, so that's why I like this palette. But I have been able, every single time I use this palette, I am able to create something beautiful, and it looks stunning and perfect. And the colors just blend so well. They are great quality. The matte eyeshadows blend really well. And then the glitter shadows, I'm in love with, like, love them. I almost love them just as much as the Still and Magnificent Metals, because they're so pigmented. They are blinding on your eyes. They look amazing, glittery, perfection. So this is one that I really enjoyed this year, or last year. So another one that came out was from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Modern Renaissance palette. I know you've seen me have these on my channel in the past, but I'm just in love with these colors. There's a lot of warm colors, cool colors, but I just love the selection of colors. And just when I look at this, I just imagine all of the beautiful possibilities that I can make with this eyeshadow kit. I just love the color combination that they have, and the quality is really good. Their glitters, I prefer the Naked Heat glitters more than these glitter shades, but they're still really good. Now, one thing is, I know that Anastasia had a big fuss with their Subculture palette of it basically exploding when you barely touch your brush on it, and that there was a huge amount of fallout when you would use it. I'm gonna be honest, this does have quite a bit of fallout, but it does not bother me. Like, I don't mind the fallout. It's good quality, it blends well, I like the colors on my eyes, where it just, I don't care that it falls out a lot. I don't know, it doesn't bother me, and so I'll just keep using it. So I really enjoyed this palette. Oh my gosh, guys. This one should be in like every single video. Okay, this palette is amazing. Morphe is amazing. That whole brand is just perfection. Oh my gosh. I really like this palette. It's a good quality palette. So my next favorite would be the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. The colors are in here are just stunning and amazing. I love all of the glitter shades are so pretty and pigmented. I love them. All of the matte shades blend so well. They're not like choppy or anything. Just overall, the quality of the shadows are just really nice. And I also just really love, you see so many creations on Instagram and YouTube with this palette that I feel like there's like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ways that you can create an eye look with this palette, because the colors just work so well together, but they're also very unique in their own ways. So that's what I love about it. They work together, but they're very unique, and you can make really unique eye looks that are just stunning. So this is I think one of my top favorites. Probably the Naked Heat and this one are a tie for sure. So I really love the brand Too Faced. I love their packaging. Like, they have really cute packaging all the time. But this one in particular I really, really liked, that just stood out to me, was the Too Faced Clover palette. I mean, the packaging is so adorable. I love it so much. My daughter loves this packaging. She'll bark at the dogs, you know, talking to the doggies. But anyways, I just love this palette. It's so cute. And I love the colors because, I don't know, like, the colors just stand out to me. I love them. And oh my gosh, this shade right here, Best Friends, I think is like my favorite shade ever in this palette. It is gorgeous. But I just love all the shades. I love the pops of colors, like the yellow and green. I'm really wanting to do a look with this green one, but I just don't know what to do. I want to do something really cool, but I just can't figure out what I want to do with this green yet, but I want to use it. Anyways, I'm just loving these colors. The quality's really good. There's not a lot of fallout, blah, blah, blah. I'm saying the same thing over, but it's really a really good palette. Next, I have the Stila Magnificent Metals collection. I don't have all of them, but these are the two that I have. The first one is Kitten Karma, and the second one is Diamond Dust. I love, 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 love these. They are so good. One time I forgot to put a glitter glue on, and this stayed on my eyes so well. No glitter fell off my eye throughout the day. It stayed put. Great quality. It just stays on so well. I just love these. And what's nice is you can really cake it on and make it thick. Not like, you know, inch thick, but you can make it thick where it's not see-through, or you can just slightly put it on your eye just to put a little glitter on, just like a light dust kind of, and it looks really pretty. So I love that you can do two different ways with these. I love all of their color selections that they have. So this is in Kitten Karma. Here, I'll just swatch them real quick. Okay, so this one right here is Diamond Dust, and then this other one is Kitten Karma. They're just so pretty and sparkly. I love it. Oh, I'm in love with them. I really want to get the whole collection because it's so good, and I love all of the different colors. And I also love how you can create them where they can go during the night, you know, like for a night party, whatever, or just during the day. You do whatever you want with these, but they're just perfection. I love them. They're probably my favorite out of everything that I'm going to tell you, besides maybe one. Next one is, of course, the Tarte Shape Tape. I cannot live without this. I don't know anyone that can live without this. Seriously, it is so good. I love the doe foot applicator and how big it is and easy it is to apply on the face. It is so full coverage. It stays on. It does not crease. It is perfect. Everyone should go and buy this. Everyone needs this. I just have a few more items. I'm gonna do some face stuff. I really, really like the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It's in medium deep. The reason why I like this so much is because it's not too cool, but it's not too warm. It's just perfect for my skin. But I like to use this to carve out my cheekbones if I want to contour or just bronze all over my face. Like I like to do both with this because I feel like it does really well. So I love how it can do two different things. I love the smell. It smells really good. But I just love the quality of this. It really blends out really well. It's not choppy. I don't get like ashy or spotchy. Spotchy? Is that even a word? Spotchy? Spatchy? Spotchy. Spot? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyways, I really like this. Really, really good. They have, I don't know how many different shades that they have, but I think they have quite a few. I want to say like 4 or 5 different shades for different skin tones. I don't know, you guys, I can go look and let you know down below. But I really like this, and it stays on the whole day. Like, it does not come off. So another thing that I really, really love, I've been trying to find a really good blush palette, several blushes that I love in color, and I really love the blush kit from Anastasia, the Radiant one with all of these colors. They're just so beautiful. I love specifically these 3 right here for every day. The pink color I'm actually wearing right now on my cheeks. I only like to wear this if I'm having a really neutral nude day. I do feel like this palette is so worth it for the 3 shades in here that I'm using, and you know, so I don't know, it's up to you, but I love this palette. I love their blushes. The blushes are so pigmented. Last 3 things is so far I've been loving the Essence makeup line that they have. I think it is so good. I'm so impressed. And they are so inexpensive. Like, I want to go out and buy all of their stuff because I love it so much. I have an eyeliner from them. So good quality. Holy crap. That is so hard to get off your face when you use it. But I love the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm wearing it on my eyelashes right now. I don't have any falsy lashes on, but I love this mascara. I love it more than the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara that everyone's been raving about. I love the wand on this. I just feel like the wand really gets up to the base of the lashes and really pulls it and just covers the whole thing. I just feel like it does so well. And I think the reason why is because the way how big the wand is and the bristles. I just love how they made this wand. I would really, really highly suggest this mascara. I really feel like everyone will love this. Oh, my next one, holy crap, guys. I have been in love with the Julep Matte Mousse Lipstick. This is in shade Ooh La La. I love this matte lip. Oh my gosh. When I put it on, some matte lipsticks where you put it on but your lips are like, look really cracked, you know? It does not look good. I don't like those type of matte lipsticks because I don't want my lips to look super dry. This is so moisturizing. I feel like because it's a mousse, that's why it doesn't crack at all. But this is what this shade looks like. It's like a mauve color. I just love it. It's so gorgeous. It's such a pretty matte lip. I wear it pretty much every single day with every single look. Like, it just goes with everything. I definitely want to go and get more of them because I love the quality of this, and it stays on your lips really well. You don't hear Julep a lot, you know, I don't hear Julep a lot on different YouTube channels or just people talking about it, but I feel like this really needs to be recognized more because I love this. It is so good. So good. Okay, and the last thing is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I know I rave about this all the time, but I've actually stopped using it when I first put my makeup on, and I use it for after I finish my makeup. I don't know why I changed it, but I did. And the reason why I wanted to change it was I didn't like how I looked, you know, so powdery and dry after my makeup, you know, from setting my face. So I would spray this on, it would bring like life back into my face. I didn't look so dry and powdery, and I felt like this really helped. And when I put this on, I will use the Morphe sponge and kind of just tap it to like push this product into my face. I've just been loving how I've used it recently by putting it on after I finish my makeup. Okay, so that is it for the year 2017 of all my beauty products that are just must-haves. I love them. The best, the world's best makeup, everything. So I'm super excited for you guys to watch this. Let me know if there's any other type of videos you guys would like me to do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later. Love you all. Bye.